OurFamilyWizard Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. OurFamilyWizard isn't just a communication tool. You won't believe how much it helps families manage co-parenting smoothly. Most people get this wrong by thinking free messaging apps are enough, but the surprising truth is OurFamilyWizard offers shared calendars, expense tracking, and secure messaging designed specifically for separated or divorced parents. Pricing starts at $95 per year, which includes access for both parents. You get a complete suite of tools, a calendar to coordinate schedules, an expense log to track payments, a journal for communication notes, and a message board that creates a secure, time-stamped record. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of secure documentation in legal situations. It can make a big difference in custody disputes. The platform is also mobile-friendly and includes a web portal, so you can access schedules and messages anywhere. You won't believe how much peace of mind it provides when both parents can see the same information clearly. In conclusion, OurFamilyWizard pricing offers robust tools for just under per year. By understanding the features and benefits, you can see why it's more than just a messaging app. It's a full co-parenting solution that helps reduce conflict and maintain transparency.